I want to take a look at BTC and tell you what my TA tells me. We are looking at BTC USD 1 month charts. So this is 1 month chart. And as you can see, we have red number 1. 1 month is on a red number 1 candle, and we can easily get a red number 2 candle next month. So if next month trades below this one, we get a red number 2. No, actually, if next month trades below 1, 2, 3, 4, below this candle closing, we will get a red number 2, and the red number 2 candle can trade below the red number 1 candle. In this case, we would have a short. So 1 month is on a red number 1 candle, and we can easily get a red number 2 candle next month. This would set us up for a long-term downtrend, which could last up to 8 months. Not a good sign. So if I look at the monthly chart, it isn't looking too good. Let's switch to 1 week. Okay, 1 week's chart give us red number 1 candle stick. No, 1 week is on a red number 1 candle, and next week can easily give us a red number 2 candle, which could trade below the red number 1 candle. This would set us, and this would be a shorting opportunity on a long-term trend. So you see the same thing as on the monthly chart, on the weekly chart, and both could give you one next month and the weekly next week shorting opportunity. Let's go to 1 day. So this is 1 week again on different exchanges. Now let's look at 1 day. 1 day is the only chart that gives us some short-term hope. This is the only chart where I see some positivity in the BTC price action. We did get a red number 9 candle. So this is the red number 9 candle, which could indicate the end of a downward trend. It could indicate the end of the downward trend. It could also indicate that a new downward trend starts. But let's say for now that it gives us, that it indicates the end of a downward trend. Followed by 2 red number 1 and 2 reversal hammer candles. So this is the first good thing, is that we did get number 1, number 9, red number 9 candle, and now we have reversal hammer. We did get it on the red number 1, and we also have one. Well, we still do. Maybe at the end of the day we won't, but for now we still do have an inversal candle, a hammer candle, a reversal trend candle that confirms the first one, but it doesn't go through. I mean, we should go up and we don't. Today, as Tonway says, makes it or breaks it. If we don't go up, this reversal candle will be invalidated, and we will have to look for a downward trend. Since this is a 1 and this is a 2, a red 1 and a red 2, you could have a shorting opportunity when when the number 2 candle trades below the number 1 candle. But let's say for now that we still have reversal candles, because they look like reversal candles, hammer candles, big body upside and a long stick down. So let's see. So we have the number 9 candle, which could indicate the end of a downward trend, followed by 2 red number 1 and 2 reversal hammer candles. This could set us up for 1 to 4 candle of upward trend. So I'm expecting, I'll draw it for you. I'm expecting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 4. Well, probably a bit higher. Let's go until here, the moving average. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, I don't know where to start to count. Normally I have to start to count here. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So only until here. And in the best, it should go. I won't bet on it going higher than the reversal candle, but it doesn't look like it for now. So I'm not sure that it will happen. I was more optimistic yesterday than I am today. But after that, the downward trend, the bearish market should continue. So we're still in a very strong bearish market. And I expect that even if we get this, that we will continue afterwards the downward trend. So we have 4 candlesticks, up to 4, it could be 1, up to 4 candlesticks of upward trend. So I don't know if you can call this an upward trend. I don't. This does look like it. So the probability that we get the 1 to 4 stick upward trend looks to me small right now. Nothing right now in the okay. But after that, the downward trend, the bearish market should continue. So as I said, after this point, if we get there, which is not sure, the downward trend should continue unless we break out of it. So there's a downward trend line. I don't have it on this graphic, but if we break out of it, I'll tell you, if we break out of it, well, then we could be in a bullish market again. But it doesn't look like it for now. Huh? So I wouldn't bet on it. We have to look at things as they are, and right now they are bearish. Nothing right now indicates that we will. It is not even sure that we get the 1 to 4 days of upward trend. That's strong the bearish market is. So I'm seeing this bearish market right now very strong. And I'm out of all my positions because of the reversal. I have a very small position which I speculate on having a small upward trend, but it's highly risky and I wouldn't recommend it. For safe trades, wait until I put them on my Twitter account. I can't make a video every day, so my Twitter account should be up to date. But right now I wouldn't be in any position. You could bet on the 1 to 4 candle upward trend, but it would be very short-lived. We are hovering around critical support on the 1 week chart. So if I go back onto 1 week chart, now we have the 1 day chart. The 1 week chart is here. And at the end of the week, there's critical support. We are hovering around critical support on the 1 week chart. If it does not hold at the end of the week, if we close below $8,096, the support line is invalidated and we could drop till 4K. So we are playing with fire. If we drop just $100 lower, we will be below the 8,096 support line, and if that breaks, it breaks. If we reach the end of the week below it, huh? Already on this candle, I think we were below it. Where do I see the low of the candle? Yes, the low was 7,666. So we already were below, but it doesn't matter. We have to close below the trend line, and we could. I mean, we are that close to it that it even looks probable that we will. It's a strong support line, so we have a chance that by the end of the week we are on top of it. But if we are not, things will look very ugly. If it does not hold at the end of the week, if we close below $8,096, the support line is invalidated and we could drop till 4K. So then there's a second support line under it, but it's much lower, it's around 4K. And we could theoretically go very low, since 4K is the half of what we have now. So it wouldn't be nice for all the people hodling. Things are not looking good. We are on thin ice and it could break anytime. So it's just telling you people that I would like to be very bullish because I'm a Bitcoin maximalist and I don't like seeing Bitcoin crashing. I make money even if it crashes. That's not a problem. But the thing is that the confidence in Bitcoin will be destroyed. We already, people are already beaten up. We dropped from nearly 20 to now 8,000. People are losing confidence in it. And if we go too low, that's around 1,300. If we go even below that, confidence could be totally destroyed and it maybe will never pick up again. I think Bitcoin is great. I mean, it's much better than all the fiat stuff, much better than banks, much better than credit cards. I really like it. It's just you cannot use it in shops for now, but I think it will change. However, the price action is critical. I mean, it doesn't look good for Bitcoin adoption. People will get scared of Bitcoin if prices keep dropping, and it looks like that. Anyways, I hope that that I will be able to give you better news on my tweets and have more optimistic shows to things to show you with my videos next time. Have a good day.